Hi, I'm Kerri Lawless, and I can't wait to show you this breathtaking home. Located on just under an acre, this modern farmhouse gem is just a stunning home. There's so much curb appeal when you drive up. The home itself is just so immense and so massive, and then you've got this gorgeous black iron staircase, the double 8-foot black doors. There's so much to see outside, but way more to see inside. Let's go on in and check it out. There's so much to see in this stunning home, literally right as you walk into the door. There's so much to take in. So first of all, there's a spacious foyer here with 12-foot ceilings. And then we move right on over to this expansive dining area. And of course, because it's wide open to the living room, it just feels so big. I love the fact that this entire area is wide open. The other thing you see is this extremely large wall of windows. Talk about flooded with natural light. And of course, one of the best things about these windows is that there's nature all around. So you're in Slidell, you're around all the conveniences, but then you're just surrounded by all this natural beauty. Best of both worlds. So then we talk about the living room, right? Look how big this room is. You can fit so many people and so much furniture in here. And of course, what really adds to that feeling of spaciousness is the 12-foot coffered ceiling. It's absolutely amazing. Then we've got this huge wall. You can put whatever beautiful piece of furniture you have here. Anything will fit because it's a huge wall. And of course, any size TV, which is great. All right, lots more to see. Now we're gonna take a look at the other side of this massive space. So moving on over to this side, we have even more dining area. This space is just amazing. And not only could you at least fit 6 people here and additional furniture, you also have these incredible views of nature right outside. Is this the perfect place for morning coffee or just dinner in the evening time? There's just so much to see. Really helps you to decompress and relax. All right, let's take a look at that amazing kitchen. There have to be about 100 things that I love about this kitchen, but starting with my favorites, this island is just spectacular. There is so much room, not only for bar seating all the way across, but then you've got this beautiful white quartz countertop. It's absolutely gorgeous. Then moving over to here, here's my next favorite thing. Look at this pantry. It's an actual room. There's literally shelving all on that side. It's huge. All right, now let's finish talking about this island here because it's pretty spectacular. So one of the things I love about it is this gas cooktop here. And of course, you've got this vent hood that totally makes a statement when you walk on in. We've got the beautiful shaker cabinetry. This color is so unique and so beautiful. Again, helps this kitchen to make a big statement as you walk in the door. And then you have pot drawers here. This is so convenient. If you've never had them, you will love them. All right, now on the other side, we've got the wall oven here and the microwave built in. And then moving across, we've got the stainless dishwasher. It's so sleek. And then this beautiful farmhouse sink. I just love this look. Now there's still more to see. We've got the wine rack here. We've got the glass front corner cabinetry. There's just so much to love in this kitchen. I could go on and on. All right, let's go take a look at the laundry. It's not very often that I like a laundry room enough to open the door and point it out, but this one to me makes a statement. First of all, we've got this beautiful arch window letting in all this natural light. It is so spacious, and I love how bright it is in here. And then we've got some of my favorite tile on the floor here. This gray and white is just spectacular. All right, lots more to see. Before we move on to the other side of the home, there are a couple of details that I really wanted to point out that I love. So in this little hallway right here, we have this adorable bench seating with storage and then this cute little rectangular window. It's these special touches that builders add in that I think make a home so special. Now we have a half bath right behind this door, and one of the things I love, like the pantry, There's a pocket door here, which one of my favorite things. So coming on into this powder room, there are, again, so many special little touches. We've got the farmhouse light. We have the rectangular white vessel sink sitting on top of the quartz. And of course, that rich shaker cabinetry. Just beautiful. And again, with my favorite gray and white tile. So much more to see. Let's keep going. One of the things I love so much about this home is that it has a split floor plan. So on one side of the home is the primary suite, and then on the other side of the home are the other 3 bedrooms, and then the guest bath that is shared by those bedrooms. And of course, this bathroom is phenomenal. I love the space in here. We have 9-foot ceilings. We have a modern square tub. We've got the antique gold fixtures. There's so much to see. I mean, even this little niche right here with the beautiful tile work, it's just gorgeous. We have the dark shaker cabinetry. It is so rich. And again, the vessel bowl and then this modern fixture. Love, love, love this. And again, my favorite tile. All right, let's check out those bedrooms. We are walking into the first of the 4 bedrooms, and this room right now is being used as a multi-purpose space, but there is plenty of room in here for this to be used as a bedroom, plenty of room for a queen size bed and additional furniture. On to bedroom 2. This room is currently being used as an office, and again, plenty of space in here for a queen size bed. There are 2 large leather chairs here, and there is a massive desk and a bookcase. There's just plenty of room in here. All right, on to bedroom 3. The 3rd bedroom that we're walking into on this side of the home is definitely the largest out of the 3. There is a massive amount of furniture in here, and there's even a king size bed. So you can see that this room has plenty of space. Again, lots of natural light. Another thing I love about all these bedrooms is all the doors are 8 feet tall. It just feels so grand. All right, let's check out the primary suite. On the other side of the living room is the primary bedroom. And one of the things I love is that in this room, as well as all the main areas, they have this neutral colored vinyl plank flooring. It is absolutely beautiful. It's so modern farmhouse. This room is really quite large. So there's a king size bed here, and there is so much room all the way around. One of the things I love is that, again, because this is the back wall of the home, there are these windows that look right into nature. They also have the step ceiling in this room, which really makes these ceilings feel so tall. All right, let's check out the ensuite. There is plenty to see in this room, and it is literally one of my favorite rooms in the house. First of all, there's so much space. The natural light is amazing. I love the black and white. It just feels fantastic. They have the freestanding tub, the wall tile around it. There's just so much to see. And then we've got this incredible white tiled shower with this beautiful black river rock floor. So much to see in here. 2 very big closets and a linen pantry and a private water closet. There is so much here. All right, let's check out the outside. Right off the back of this main area has to be one of my favorite spaces. Look at this massive deck area. There is so much room for relaxing and entertaining here. So we've got the living area over here, and of course there's even room for more furniture if you wanted to. The nice little cozy fire pit area. And then we walk on over to this great bar area, and I just love that you're sitting here looking again out into nature. It's completely covered. They have the tongue and groove wood planking for the ceiling up top. It's just so charming. There's also the black iron railing all the way down. Such a modern look. And then of course, right here we have the outdoor kitchen. What a fantastic area for entertaining. And then of course we have the TV up here. This is such a great place to entertain, watch the game, invite your friends and family. You can make so many memories in this area. All right, there's even more to see downstairs. Let's go check it out. I just love how this modern aesthetic continues all the way downstairs. Then we have this huge open area. It's literally the footprint of the entire home. The ceilings are so high. There's so much room down here. The possibilities are absolutely endless for entertaining. This is just one of those spaces that has to be seen in person. Make your appointment today. My name is Kerri Lawless.